Okay, I want to show you how to make these letters look 3D. Okay, so I've shown you how different ways you can draw your letters, make them bubble letters or block letters. You start with your own handwriting, like I had the A with my own handwriting in there, and then I made an outline around it, and then I erased the inside of it. And you can make them all kinds of shapes when you do that. For instance, like if I want to say A, B, C, and I want to call this ABC book, I can make my letters really skinny under here and wide. And I could still do that kind of block letter. And it's a different kind of font. I'm actually just drawing it inside with my things. On the K, I will have to erase a little bit. So you can see right here, you can make them whatever shape you want. But the easiest way to do it is to really just start with your handwriting. You need to draw light till you get it right and start with your own handwriting. And then you could turn them into whatever you want. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, I'm going to use my pencil first. I'm going to come on the right side of every letter and the bottom of every letter, okay? And I'm going to draw a pencil line on the right side and the bottom. Bottom, right, bottom, and then I've already got the right side. Bottom, right. On a curved letter, it's just going to come out kind of like that. And the right side, the bottom. Bottom. Whoop, I got something under there that's making me mess up right there. Right side, bottom. Whatever side you do, whether it's the bottom, top, whatever, you just do it the same on each side, okay? So I could do it two ways. I can either make them, I've started using like gray. You can use black. I'm going to show you the difference between gray and black. So this is a dark gray. Sometimes a light color will really make it pop. And I'm going to show you a black. So I have dark gray, here's light gray. And crayons will do this just as well as markers. Color pencils will do it just as well, and you probably have a variety of more colors. You can even do it with your regular pencil. Press down harder, it's darker. Press down just a little lighter, it's lighter. Okay, and you get different values. The scaling just happens to have extra markers at home because I brought them this summer, but you do not have to have all these different kinds of grays.